The International Trade Commission has opened an investigation into Samsung and LG Electronics for allegedly dumping dishwashers on the American market. The probe follows a safeguard petition filed late last month by US manufacturer Whirlpool. Whirlpool claims the two Korean companies have been selling dishwashers at below market prices and evading US anti-dumping laws. The petition seeks to put tariffs on Samsung and LG to stop the alleged dumping. Both Samsung and LG have denied the accusations, saying that if tariffs are imposed, they would hurt consumers the most. The ITC has announced it will reach a decision after a public hearing on September 7th.